where we bring holiday cheer to your home. Today, I'm showing you how to decorate your Christmas tree with tinsel garland to make it sparkle like never before. Whether you're a pro or a first-timer, this step-by-step guide will make your tree the centerpiece of your holiday celebrations. And if you're looking for high-quality tinsel garland, Christmas lights, or ornaments, check out the links in the description below to shop my favorite holiday decorations on Amazon. Using these links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get started. Before we add any garland, let's make sure our tree is ready. First, fluff out all the branches to give it a full, even look. This makes a huge difference in how your tree turns out. Then, add your lights. If you need beautiful, long-lasting Christmas lights, I've linked some of my favorites below. Just click the link to grab yours today. Next, it's time to pick the perfect tinsel garland. I recommend classic metallic or glittery styles for that iconic holiday look. You'll find a curated selection of my top picks linked in the description. These are affordable, stunning, and available for quick delivery through Amazon Prime. Now comes the fun part, adding the garland. Start at the top of the tree, drape the tinsel loosely, and let it cascade down, working your way to the bottom. For a more dynamic look, layer the garland closer to the trunk in some spots and further out on others. If you're inspired by this look and want to recreate it, everything you see here, garlands, ornaments, and more, is linked below. Happy shopping! Once your garland is in place, it's time to add the ornaments. Larger ornaments go toward the bottom of the tree, while smaller ones fill in the top. If you need inspiration or new ornaments, check out the stunning selection in my affiliate store. These make great gifts too. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated tree with tinsel garland. Remember, don't overthink it. Imperfections add character. Use small hooks or ties if your garland doesn't stay in place. Store your garland neatly to keep it tangle-free for next year. All of the decorations I used in this video are linked below. By shopping through those links, you help support the channel, and I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more holiday decorating tips and ideas. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links in the description to get everything you need to make your Christmas tree shine. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays.